Hey girls, welcome back. This is Xenia Ernst, your personal stylist, and I help women to look and feel beautiful. Today I want to talk about how to look more stylish, more put together, and give you my 6 tips that I use every day and that I share with my clients, so keep on watching. Number 1 thing that will show whether you know what's going on in fashion and style or not. Why my jeans and white tee look so different from the stylish girl jeans and white tee? And the answer is modern cut. A simple outfit like white tee and jeans can look like this, or it can look like this. Or black pants and a shirt can look like this, or like that. You see the difference? Yeah? Do you feel it? Tip number 2, upgrade your basics. Let's say you already have all the modern cuts and styles in your wardrobe. How you elevate, and how you go up from there. Upgraded basics make a huge difference in a wardrobe. So instead of your next pair of simple black pants, you can go for a leather pants, or you can go for some funky color pants, or with some print. As a present for our 5th anniversary with Nick, I got leather pants. If you want to see it, it's actually on the vlog. These leather pants brought so many new outfits to my wardrobe. I didn't even expect that. When I styled them, I used very basic pieces, so I'm sure you have something like this in your wardrobe as well, and you will see how many more outfits just one piece can bring into your wardrobe. The same thing I did with jeans. Instead of buying another blue or black pair of jeans, I got a white, it's actually not white, it's a light knot colored denim, I think it's called, but it has this like white creamy beige color, and I wear it in fall and winter. Instantly all my favorite simple comfortable outfits with jeans became so stylish and so chic just because of the color of these pants. Tip number 3, add a layer. Good second layer can make you look stylish in a second. Nice modern blazer will bring so much style to your wardrobe. You can wear it with dresses, with skirts, with pants, with jeans, especially if you like basic neutral colors. Add to your wardrobe a plaid blazer or blazer in some color. It will instantly bring a new fresh spin into your wardrobe. Another second layer that I absolutely love that always brings so much style to an outfit is a long cardigan or a duster. And the main thing here is long. The longer the better, because the length of it, the dramatic effect of how it's moving behind you, this what gives any outfit, absolutely any simple outfit, such a beautiful spin, so stylish, so chic. My tip number 4, invest in a good coat. So once you got yourself a long cardigan, you need a long coat to cover that cardigan when you wear it outside. A good long coat will make any look beautiful, expensive, stylish, chic. So this is something that really worth the investment. Actually, there's lots of good options even in the fast fashion brands like Zara. Just look at the blend, look what it's made of, and it should be at least 50% wool, but best it should be 70 to 80% wool. And if you add a thin winter jacket underneath, that will allow you to wear the coat even longer, further into colder month, and stay stylish even when it's cold outside. Tip number 5, upgrade your shoe game. I think this is one of the easiest way to elevate your style, and at the same time I feel like this is the most ignorable item. I see so many girls, you think about the outfit, the tops and the bottoms and the layers, and then the shoes just make the outfit meh. Absolutely simplest outfit with cool modern shoes can be like perfect, nice, stylish. Bellissimo. Good. Please don't ignore the shoe game. Just like with clothing, it can be something comfortable, something basic, something you wear all day, every day. It can be a little bit of a color, even if it's a brown color or a burgundy color or a dark green, something that is still very versatile. If you follow me on Instagram, you definitely know that I'm obsessed with L'Intervalle shoe store. Every time I have a client, 100% of the time we buy at least one pair of shoes there. It's a Canadian Montreal-based brand. All their shoe comes from Europe, so it has European quality, but absolutely amazing styles. They have so many different colors, they have so many different patterns. All their shoes are very modern, very trendy. And I'm sure in this store, everyone can find their right mix of classy and simple and trendy and interesting. So never ignore a shoe game and check out L'Intervalle. Tip number 6, don't ignore accessories. I think it's the same thing like with shoes. We feel like, okay, we put the outfit together, maybe even shoes are cool, but then that's it, I'm done, it's over. No. The accessory game should be on point as well. And it doesn't have to be anything crazy. Pick your basics. Minimalistic style is very on trend, so there are so many options with cute little necklaces, little cute bracelets, and a nice minimalistic watch. Find what suits you and what works with your wardrobe. Don't ignore it. It's a really important part of your outfit. I personally recommend to start with watch because this is a necessity, I think. I personally have gold one, I have silver one, and I have the ones with the leather strap, a little bit more of a men's style, and I switch them up and it's always part of my outfit. And I have a 15% discount for a Well-Americ watch, which are these. Yeah, they're really beautiful. It's a Swiss mechanism. They're water resistant, really good quality. I wear them for over a year already. So many different styles, trendy minimalistic styles like that, and gold and silver, and in smaller and bigger sizes, and some with the leather straps. So check out the website, use my code for 15% off and enjoy it. This is actually my bonus tip number 7. Add lipstick. I don't know what it is about lipstick, but it instantly makes you look put together, stylish, as if you spent so much time getting ready and prepared, but at the same time you might not even have any makeup, but you put a lipstick on, boom. And it doesn't even have to be a very bright lipstick, but even a little bit of a nude or light pink lipstick instantly make it look like I really spent a lot of time on doing this. And it did. So these are my tips how to stay stylish, and I hope you enjoyed that, and subscribe to not miss any videos on YouTube. Bye!